The definition of success is: success is a word we hear many times in life. People talk about it at school, at work, and even at home. But what does success really mean? Is it about money? Is it about being famous? Or is it something else? Everyone has their own idea of success. It is different for each person. This is why it is important to think about what success means to you. For some people, success means having a good job. They think they are successful when they work in a big company or make a lot of money. They want to buy a big house or a nice car. They believe that success is about how much they earn or what they can buy. Money is important in life, but is that the only way to be successful? Some people have a lot of money but are not happy. They feel lonely or tired. They may not have good relationships with their family or friends. So maybe money is not the best way to look at success. Other people think success is about reaching their goals. These goals can be big or small. A student may feel successful when they pass a hard test. A mother may feel successful when her child grows up happy and healthy. A young man may feel proud when he learns to play the guitar. These things may not bring money or fame, but they bring joy. When people do something they worked hard for, they feel proud. This feeling is also success. Some people say that success is about happiness. They believe that when you are happy, you are successful. It does not matter how much money you have or what job you do. If you wake up in the morning with a smile and go to bed with peace in your heart, you are successful. Happiness can come from love, family, nature, or even a quiet moment alone. Sometimes, success is just living a simple life and being thankful. Many people forget about this kind of success. They run after things that look good from the outside. They want to show others that they are doing well. They want to win. They want to be better than others. But real success is not about being better than others. It is about being better than you were yesterday. It is about growing, learning, and becoming a kind person. It is about living in a way that makes you and others feel good. There are people who find success in helping others. They work to make the world a better place. Some teach children, some care for the sick, and some give food to the poor. These people may not be rich or famous, but they make a big difference. Their hearts are full and their lives are full of meaning. Helping others can be one of the greatest forms of success. Success can also be about not giving up. Life is not always easy. Sometimes we fail. Sometimes things go wrong. But if we keep going, if we try again and again, we become stronger. A person who does not give up is a successful person. Even if they do not win, they grow. And growth is a kind of success too. Some people think success is about freedom. They want to live life their own way. They want to choose what they do, where they go, and how they live. They do not want others to control them. This freedom brings peace. It lets people follow their dreams. It lets them live a life that feels right. To have this freedom is also to be successful. Success is also about love. When you love someone and they love you back, you feel rich. This kind of love can be from family, friends, or a partner. It gives you strength when you are tired. It gives you hope when you are sad. Love can make even a hard life feel bright. When you have love in your life, you have something special, and that is a big success. Many people think they must be perfect to be successful, but nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes. We all have bad days. Real success is not about being perfect. It is about trying. It is about doing your best. It is about learning from your mistakes and moving on. Success is not a place we reach and stop. It is a path we walk every day. Sometimes we think success must be big, but small successes matter too. Waking up early, helping someone, finishing a book, smiling at a stranger, these are all little wins. They may seem small, but they make a big difference. Life is full of small steps, and each step is part of success. If we only wait for big things, we may miss the joy of today. Children and old people can also be successful. A child who learns to tie his shoes is successful. An old woman who tells her life story is also successful. Success does not care about age. It comes when we do our best and stay true to ourselves. Sometimes the world tells us we are not good enough. We see others doing well and think we are not successful. But we must remember, everyone walks their own path. Your success does not have to look like someone else's. You may grow slowly, and that is okay. You may take a different road, and that is okay too. What matters is that you are moving forward. In the end, success is not just one thing, it is many things. It is not the same for everyone. It can be money, yes, but it can also be love, growth, peace, and joy. It can be small or big. It can be quiet or loud. What matters is what success means to you. Only you can know what it feels like in your heart. When we understand our own idea of success, life becomes clearer. We stop running after what others want. We start living in a way that feels true. We become kinder to ourselves and others. We see beauty in our journey, and that, in itself, is a kind of success. So, take time to ask yourself, what does success mean to me? What makes me feel proud? What brings me peace? The answers will help guide your life. They will help you find your own kind of success. And when you do, you will not need to prove it to anyone. You will feel it inside. And that is enough.